Well, lads, we did it.
Oh, well, all them bloody games in the Sterling paid off.
Come on, climb, climb.
Watch the bloody trees.
Oh, bollocks. Ah, aren't those Merlins lovely to listen to?
Indeed. The Sterling in this game always sounds like 4 rather aggressive ceiling fans.
Righto, Skipper. What's our target?
Today, chaps, we will be climbing up to altitude and bombing a small factory.
Oh dear, that's a bit bright over there. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to see much with these marker flares.
Tally-ho, Skipper, bend at 6 o'clock.
Not to worry, lads. We have 4 Spitfire engines, and I heard on the History Channel that the Lancaster is a very nimble for a bomber of its size. Let's see if he can keep up. Corkscrew coming up. Oh, piss. Bail out those of you who are not unconscious. Well, that's it, gentlemen. We are now cruising at 12,000 feet after only 1 hour of circling above base.
It may have been easier if we hadn't accidentally loaded 5 hours of fuel.
Sir, how much fuel do you want me to put in?
A new
Sir?
radiator, you say? Sounds good. Let's
Sir?
go.
Never mind. I just filled them up to full.
Yes, hello, Skipper. Since the target is so small, lots of sheds, barely visible at this height, how will I be able to tell when we're near?
Well, Bombardier, has flak damaged our radiators?
Well, not yet.
Then we are not on target yet.
Tally-ho, Skipper, bandits, 5 o'clock high. Ah, shit, ME-262.
Yikes, that's a bit of an up-tier.
Oh well, we tried. Let's bail out, lads.
Any chance we could outrun them?
Not a bloody chance.
And it's a dogfight.
An Avro Lancaster against rank 5 German jets?
Don't think. Just do, Skipper.
All right. Gunners, open fire!
What are they shooting us with? Peas! Ah! This game is too easy.
Ah, drat! Bail out! Come on, lads. Climb over the wing spar. Yes, just as we trained. Exactly 3 seconds to get out despite the god almighty G-forces.
Eesh, that's going to cost a bit to repair.
Whoa there, boys! You got passengers in there? Where are your guns? I didn't realize British overseas airline crashes was still flying airplanes over Europe. Anyways, you guys need a fighter escort?
Oh, that would be brilliant.
I got enough gas to take you guys all the way to the target and oh wait, hang on just 1 sec.
Where does that stupid yank think he's going?
Yeehaw! Move over, boys! This one's my kill!
Tally-ho, bandits, 12 o'clock high.
I have an idea. Top brass has new orders, chaps. This time we are going to fly in low at treetop altitude. Because I can't be climbing for another hour.
Are you sure, Skipper? Isn't flying low awfully dangerous?
Oh, come on now, navigator. I'm a War Thunder pilot. We are top class. Achoo! All right. It was my bad with the last 5 cock-ups, but this time we're going to make it. Navigator, where is the target?
According to my calculations, right here in Bravo 4.
How the bloody hell do you navigate so accurately?
Target spotted. Bomb bay doors open. Bombs going, Gone. Hang on. Did someone tell the ground crew we wanted 5-second fuses?
Right. Mr. Harris is not pleased with the results of our last mission, so we are going to switch tactics.
Are we going to start targeting cities with incendiaries to cause massive firestorms that cause huge loss of civilian life and property?
What? Good God, no, man. That's despicable. Besides, there are no civilians in War Thunder. No, we are going to be attacking those vehicular convoys on the edge of the map.
Ah, farming ground units for XP. Targets in sight. Opening the bomb bay doors now.
What did I tell you, lads? This is a milk run. Right, I've got another idea. Navigator, the Lancasters only flew at night, right?
Well, mainly yes. That's what they were designed for.
Alright, okay, hear me out. What if we only fly our missions at night?
Bloody hell, how many missions are we gonna have to skip before we get a night battle?
Well, sure, we have just had to skip 53 battles, but hey, we can't see anything. Ergo, nothing can see us.
Oh, Hans, I see a blip on the Liechtenstein radar.
Excellent work, Schultz.
What? How did they spot us?
The power of Deutsch engineering always prevails.
Right, we really can't afford any more mistakes. Luckily, I've got a cunning plan.
We're joining the army.
Well, sort of. Right, we've got enough spawn points, I mean experience in the army, so let's whip out the Lancaster, shall we?
You know, I don't think the Lancaster was ever designed for daytime ground attack missions.
Oh, come on now, Navigator, it'll be fine. You did remember the 5-second fuses this time, right?
Oh, was ist das? Ein Allied fuel supply? Thank Goebbels! I thought we were going to run out of fuel for sure.
Wow, we actually got quite a few.
That was surprisingly effective.
Yes!
Ah, that does it! Right, we are going to have our revenge. Goodbye, Englanders.
You know, lads, I'm feeling adverse to death. Also, a bit nostalgic. How about we pack it in and go back to a lower tier and fly that Wellington again?
Oh, about bloody time.
You know what? Let's.
So, after several delays to get the right voices, try some new filming techniques, build a film set for the airfield, as well as design and 3D print some new custom characters, I have finally finished a new War Thunder animation sketch. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did and want to support my channel and various projects, feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd like to give a massive thank you to the amazing people who voiced these characters, including my old friend and local hobby shop owner Greg Bennett of Tectonic Hobbies, his lordship and keeper of a fantastic collection of sideburns and a great history YouTube channel Lord Hard Thrasher, fellow Australian aviation nerd, YouTuber and museum volunteer Rex's Hangar, my close friend and patron member Archie Palmer, and a talented model builder and a huge supporter of my channel Albis. So thank you so much for voicing these characters. Also, a massive thank you to my wonderful patrons whose names you'll see on the screen, who also made this video and many others possible by helping to fund some of the time and energy I put into making them. I'm continuing to work on a longer stop motion series I've been planning for the last couple years about the Battle of Milne Bay, which I'll hopefully give some updates on soon. And I'm also planning to do some more War Thunder sketches, especially with the German tank crew more towards the middle of the year, once I've gotten some scripts together, as well as designed some new characters and some film sets to make things a little bit better. That's it for now, but thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, as always, take care and model on.